చూడు అన్న చూడు అన్న పట్టు
Good morning. Good morning. In Samoan we say talofa. Oh, this table got it. We say talofa in our native language. God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good.
All God.
Never us.
Never us.
All God.
Psalms 118, verse 24. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. This is the first line of our opening song in our native language of Samoan. Our children will sing this morning. First and foremost, all glory and praise to God for this beautiful day and for allowing us to come together as God's people. We are the youth group from the United Samoan Church. I am Benjamina Taito, Senior Pastor. We are based out here at our beautiful city of Carson, 600 East Double Street. Our youth consists of 80 members. From God, some of you are Philippines, but they still want to be my youth. Unfortunately, only, I believe about 20 of us made it today. If I may, I'd like to introduce our youth officers. Our youth director is the late preacher Silmaya and his wife Heidi Lasyolangi. Can you please stand? We also have our youth president here, Zion Vival. Our lady Zion is one of our church deacons. We also have our vice president here, another deacon, Leituau Siaki. Our secretary is not here, Charity Malupe. Our treasurer is not here, Richard Romano, and so is our vice secretary and treasurer, Nike Petaya. Before we begin, we would like to thank Mayor Lula for this special invitation, allowing our young people to share with you a few of our spiritual performances that will be performed by our young ones this morning. So I don't want to take much time, but without further ado, I give you United Samoan Church Youth.